Okay, hey guys, this is something that we are going over in class today, but I just wanted to make a little video for you to reference back to. We're going to look at step-by-step directions for how to make a pie chart or a circle graph. Those are two of the same things, okay, just different words for them, different looks. We'll look at some additional steps you can take, some cool customization tomorrow. Today is all about just the simple how to make a graph using Google Sheets. Okay, we use Google Sheets because that is the method of data collection for Microsoft, so we have to use Google Sheets for this. What the example here is our pie chart is going to show what chunk of our monthly budget goes to different categories such as food costs, rent, and student loan payments. So things we have to know first. A pie chart can be done by hand if you have a tool called a percent circle. We don't have any at school. I'm doubtful you have some at home, so this is why we're just going to learn how to do it on the computer, and then when we're back together next week, we'll go over how to do it by hand. But basically what happens is, because we know our circle graph is 100%, added all together, each sector would be equal 100%, we would have to change our values into a percentage and then draw out that percentage quite precisely with a circle graph. How you do that is, because a circle is 360 degrees around, we would have to times whatever our percentage is by 360 degrees, measure out our angles, make our graph. Sounds super complicated doing it by hand. So when we're doing it on the computer, it's going to do all that math for us, which is great, right? That's why technology is so awesome. So step one, we need to make a data set for our chart. So if this is my monthly budget, okay, and it's not, so don't go thinking I spend this much money, right? But if this is my monthly budget, this is called a data set, right? So this is what we're going to use for our pie chart, okay? I've put in the category, so how much my car costs per month is $300, my rent is $1,200, student loan $250, utilities $150, food $500. So there's my data set. Next, I'm going to select the cells with the data that you want to use to make your chart. And then I'm going to click Insert. So I select exactly what I want to use. If I select too much, the chart's not going to work. If I select too little, the chart's not going to work. If I click out of this at any point before hitting Insert, it's not going to work. This has to be highlighted. I have to go to Insert. Now that I'm here, I've got Chart. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Chart option. It's going to automatically generate for me a pie chart. Okay, because what the computer system does is it looks at the data that I'm giving them and it makes a decision on what the best fit graph would be. You can see in here I have different things I could select. So if I wanted it to be a column chart, I could. I don't want to though. I want my pie chart. It's going to show me the percentages, okay? If I added all these percents up, right, it would give me 100%, okay? And then from here I can edit, okay? So things like going to chart and axis titles, okay? I can change this to monthly budget, okay? Changes my monthly budget up here because we know all of these have to have a title. Okay, if I wanted to change the font, anything like that, if I wanted a subtitle, okay, maybe this is monthly budget for January. I would add in a subtitle, okay, we don't need it. I can change my pie slices, the colors, okay, I can change the donut hole, okay, so this would be the donut hole in the middle. Okay, I can do a lot of different things. All we need to worry about here is making sure we know how to change the title and this legend, okay? So the legend that they gave, it actually just gave the kind of labeled here to what color is which. I could put it at the top. Doesn't really give me the percents. The left, the right, okay, however you want to do it. If it's just on auto, this is probably the best way to do this for this assignment. Okay? And then when you're done, it's there. You can see your chart is good to go. So that's a lot easier than using a percent circle, and quick way to do it.